Welcome to ASTRA, your personalized trading performance platform powered by behavioral science and AI. Getting started is simple. After logging in, the first step is to add your broker. Select your broker and fill in the required details. If you only want to use manual journaling or the trade history upload feature, you can just enter the account name and number. But to unlock the full power of ASTRA with one-click trade sync, make sure to fill in all the details, including your API or access token details. Now you can choose how to add your trades manually through the journal by entering the trade details, or upload your trade book and select your broker to instantly generate your metrics, or use the one-click sync feature. After completing your intraday trades, just hit sync in the broker section and ASTRA will seamlessly process your data. The dashboard lets you quickly glance at your monthly performance and key metrics. Analytics section gives you access to powerful metrics that give you a deeper understanding of your trading behavior. Track your strengths, detect performance patterns, and uncover blind spots you may have missed. ASTRA also helps you understand how external factors like mood, sleep quality, and screen time may be influencing your trading outcomes. This extra layer of insight empowers you to make more informed, conscious decisions. ASTRA's AI engine provides tailored insights and actionable recommendations designed to help you optimize your strategy and elevate your performance over time. With the Peer Performance Quadrant, you can benchmark your results against other traders on the platform. See where you stand, whether you're leading the pack or have room to grow. ASTRA, we develop a breed of responsible traders